If the infotainment system in your Mercedes-Benz stops working, freezes, or shows a blank screen, it's usually caused by a temporary software glitch, low battery voltage, or a problem with the multimedia control module. Since the infotainment system controls navigation, Bluetooth, media, and vehicle settings, a quick restart or reset often restores normal operation. Try these. 1. Restart the infotainment system. Press and hold the power button on the audio system for about 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off and reboots. 2. Turn the vehicle off and wait. Switch off the engine, lock the car, and wait 5 minutes so the electronic modules fully shut down, then start the car again. 3. Check the vehicle battery. Low battery voltage can cause infotainment problems. Make sure the battery connections are tight and the voltage is stable. 4. Check for software updates. Open the infotainment settings and check for available updates through the vehicle system or the Mercedes app. 5. Inspect fuses and connections. If the screen remains blank, check the infotainment or multimedia fuses using the owner's manual.